homemade clay. How it's coming as a proper clay. In like this, you don't need to buy from outside because in the outside they may add some chemicals. But this is not even. There's no chemicals in this because we only made it, and it's very simple process. Please try this. And next video I'm going to show you how to make Ganesha through this clay for the Ganesh Chaturthi. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.